में लगातार बढ़ोतरी हुई है।
Cabinet Minister Ampreen Lingdaw said on August 22nd that she would share a 5-year roadmap of the health and agriculture departments, which are key to the state's development. She told reporters that she has completed her tour to Jaintia Hills, Garo Hills, East Khasi Hills and will go to Ribhoy and meet the MLAs on August 23rd. Earlier, Lingdaw informed that the state will have its own medical college only when it is ready for it, instead of losing the seats that it gets from other states by hastily declaring any medical college. The minister informed that right now, the under-construction Thura Medical College is facing infrastructural challenges.
I have almost completed my entire tour in the entire state. I have finished Garo Hills, I have finished Jaintia Hills, I have finished Khasi Hills. Now I'm going to go to Ribhoy district. I've finished West Khasi Hills. So I've covered the entire state to understand the difficulties, the challenges. If you're not ready for a medical college, you should not declare a medical college, because the 85 to 93 seats that we get regularly for our students as sponsored seats from all the states in the supervision of the union government will stop coming. We will only have a medical college if we are ready for it. Right now, the status of the Thura campus of the medical college is facing some challenges because of the infrastructure building.